Okay, so we're going to have a look at how to upgrade a VUB. So I'm going to open my shot here. And you can see that I have some source media that was created for my draft quality VUB. It was a DNxHD MOV created from an Avid output. And I also have some driving data and 49 frames of training data. And if I go to my VUBs, you can see that I have one draft quality VUB that was generated using that media. So you can do a VUB upgrade if you are using the exact same number of frames and you intend to use the same driving data that you used for your draft quality VUB. So the first step is to upload your full quality media. In this case, our full quality media is in the form of ACES 2065-1 EXRs. The first step is to add these EXRs as a second piece of source media. To do this, click Add Source. And here I'm going to select to load via Media Shuttle. Media Shuttle is required for uploading an image sequence. If you wanted to upload a QuickTime or an MXF file as your full quality media, you can just drag and drop from your computer. For an image sequence, you need to upload via Media Shuttle. Here, you just select Upload via Media Shuttle, and then open Signient app. Signient app is required for Media Shuttle uploads, and you'll have the ability to download this if you don't already have it installed. Next, click Add Files. Here, you should select your folder of EXRs. If we look inside here, you can see that I have 101 EXR files, the same number of frames as was used in our draft quality VUB. When you select to upload, just select the folder, not the EXRs themselves. Next, click Submit. And this is now uploading the EXRs. Okay, that upload is now complete. And you can see the media has been uploaded here as a second piece of source media. You need to select the color space of your EXRs. In this case, they are ACES 2065-1. And you need to select the frame rate. It should be the same frame rate as your proxy media. That media will now be processed and character detection will take place. This will typically take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now that character detection is complete, you'll also need to upload the full quality media of your training data if you have any. So I'm going to repeat the process that I used for the source media to add full quality training data. Except now, I'm going to select the folder of my training data files. As I had in my proxy quality training data, I have 49 frames of training data. And again, you just select the folder. Okay, the training data upload is complete. I'll close that window. And as we did with the source media, we'll select the color space and the frame rate, and then wait for character detection to complete. Okay, now that character detection is complete on the training data, go to the Characters tab and make sure that the character detected in your full quality media is identified as the same character as was used in your proxy quality media. In this case, it has done it correctly. So now you can go to your VUB. This is the VUB that we want to upgrade. To trigger the upgrading, select the VUB, choose to create upgraded version, ensure that Final is selected, and we'll give the new full quality VUB a unique name, and you need to select the distribution scope of your media. In this case, I'll select Worldwide Streaming and Broadcast. Hit Next, then select your final quality media. So for the source video, I will select my EXRs. The driving data is the same, and I will deselect my proxy quality training data. So only the final quality training data is going to be used. Hit Next, check your upgrade details, and select Create. This has created a new final quality VUB. A new neural network is now being trained using the final quality media. Okay, the upgrade to final quality VUB is now complete. You can select your VUB, and if you'd like to, you can refine further through the refinement tool. In the Exports tab, you'll see two exports, the EXR image sequence output and a QuickTime output. These can be downloaded by the download button. Once you've downloaded and reviewed your output, if you'd like to do some image quality cleanup, you can go back to your VUB, select it, and choose to export a VFX turnover package. This will provide the elements to make image quality cleanup easier in visual effects packages such as Nuke. Triggering the export of the VFX turnover package will create an additional element in your Exports tab with the export type VFX. Thank you for watching.